Well, let's take a look at this 2009 Chevy Silverado. This also happens in most other vehicles. Turning right, blinkers are working normal. Turn left, blinkers start blinking really fast. That's a sign that you've burnt out a light bulb on your left turning signal. Let's take a look and see which bulb's burnt out. So you turn your four-way flashers on. You can see this is blinking. That one's blinking correctly. We go on to the driver's side. Top one's blinking. Bottom one's not. So that's the bulb that's burnt out. And it's blinking really fast, just letting you know time to change the light bulb.